Let x be a continuous random variable with density function given here. Calculate the expected value of x. So now for continuous random variable, the formula for the expected value is the integral from negative infinity to infinity of x against f of x. And it's very rare that the function is non-zero in the entire negative infinity to infinity range. So practically it just reduces to that part where it's non-zero. Now this is non-zero from -2 to 4. However, it looks like that we just have one definition for this -2 to 4. But the problem is that there is no formula for integrating absolute value functions. So therefore, because of the absolute value, this -2 to 4 range has to be broken down into two parts, one part for each of the sign of the variable. So for the absolute x, we know that it's equal to -x when x is negative, and it's equal to x when x is greater than or equal to 0. So the limits would be from -2 to 0, because that will be one part where the value of x is going to be, absolute x is going to be -x. So remember, the integral was always x times f of x. So x times, and now in the negative x portion, the absolute x is equal to -x. So this becomes -x by 10. So x times -x by 10 plus, and then other would be 0 to 4. And over here, x is positive, so absolute x is just x. So the absolute x by 10 is just x by 10. And again, we have this x from the expected value formula. And so once we integrate these, we end up with 28 by 15, which is choice D.